let's talk about your next best step to becoming a federal government contractor. All right. Now, I've given you some things here already to help you get started. If you're just starting out, go back and see what deficiencies you may have, whatever gaps you may have as far as what we covered here today, and start filling those gaps. Okay. You have to have everything in place to be a viable company for the government to look at you as far as awarding you contracts. So you want to make sure you have everything in place. Your T's crossed, your I's dotted. Okay. All right. Now, the goal here is to leave you with something or information, I should say, where after you leave here today, you can go take the next step as far as getting started with government contracting, becoming a government contractor. Okay. So I want you to hear me on this as we talk about these next steps and then decide what your best next step will be for you. Okay. After that, where are we at? 229. After that, we'll open it up for Q&A and I'll answer a few questions for you guys, okay? If you have any questions. Deal? All right, here we go. If you're just getting started, right? You're at the very beginning stage of getting started with becoming a government contractor. I want you to get started with the first phase of what I talked about today and mentioned here. So, and that's really phase 1. And I call that your position. You want to position first. So you have to get positioned in the marketplace as a government contractor before you can move on to the next step. So remember where I gave you, what was it? 7 different things you needed to have in place. If you're just getting started, you need to go back to that list and start there. Okay. And you know where you're at. So you'll make that decision. Now, if you've already done phase 1 of positioning, you have all those 7 things in place.